this is my tripod box. Actually my tripod is I'm using for create my video. So this is my box of tripod, and if I want to give marks out of 10, so I have not too much much experience to using tripod, but yeah, it is 9 of 10. 1 marks why I am cutting, because I'm not expert to use this tripod. I'm just learning. So 1 marks, that's why I'm cutting, because sometimes it's difficult to learn how to use tripod. Okay, when we are creating video for like me who is beginner to using tripod and camera, all is these things. Yeah, okay, I'm going to show you unboxing video. When I unbox my tripod, you can see. Okay, I saw this tripod and it was not very heavy, and when I put my phone on it, it was moving too much. So I decided to move to went another shop and buy my tripod, what kind of tripod I wanted. So finally I buy my tripod what actually I wanted. So I will be tell you the price, and this tripod model is tripod 338. This is the model of this tripod, and it is very comfortable, it is very easy to use. And the difficult part was they were giving me the tripod that were keep at outside from the shop, and where people come and testing them before buying. I didn't want that type of tripod. I want a new and unused tripod, because this is my one of dream to buy tripod, and I have lots of belief with this tripod, and lots of excitement for the tripod. So yes, that's why I want new fresh tripod. And you can see there is one remote, the small remote. This is used for a stop video and recording video. You can use the remote button. There is two remote buttons, and one is for iPhone and one is for Android. So if you have Android, you can connect, or if you have iPhone, you can connect. It's connect with Bluetooth. The amount of tripod, it is 800, and I think it's fine for new. There is also tripod in 500 and 600, but this is best because this is also used for camera, and I want some stable tripod. If I putting my phone, it's not moving, so that's why I brought this tripod for using my phone, because it is used for also camera. So camera is very heavier than my phone, so it will be very fine to using. So that's why I'm using this tripod. You can buy this tripod at Nehru Place. It is very easy to buy there, and there is lots of choice. If we want to search more, and if we want to scroll about more, so we can scroll easily. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.